Let me go with the problem number 6 right here. Simplify 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5. So similarly in the numerator 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So you know that Budmas rule, right? In case of Budmas, so first you need to go with the half. Half means what? Multiplication before division. Let me simplify it. This is going to be 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. That divided by, first you need to do this, 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, right, divided by 1 by 5. Now which is nothing but 1 by 5 that divided by 1 by 25. Here 1 by 25 that divided by 1 by 5. Now, so you know what is fraction division, how exactly you need to do. This is 1 by 5, so convert it, and as well as the numerator will comes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. This I can rewrite like this, 1 by 25 into 5 by 1. Now simplify, 5 ones are 5 5s are, this will become 5 by 1 that divided by, right, then this is going to be 1 by 5. Now this will come the denominator will come to the denominator here, that is 5 by 1 into 1 by 5 here. So this go upwards and this will come to the downwards, that is denominator. So the answer is 25.